So first things first, we're going to talk a little bit about yarn, gauge, and the needles that we're going to be using today. So for this particular project, I'm going to be using 100% cotton, shiny happy cotton from Wool and the Gang. It's my absolute favorite cotton to work with. Actually, it's my favorite yarn to work with in general. It's just got a beautiful silky feel to it, but it still feels substantial enough that it feels like it's kind of giving you a nice hug. I really love these kind of sherbet, summery colors. The orange and the green, I think, are really fun together, and I think will complement each other nicely. I'm going to be using this really wonderful like rust orange for the main body of the pieces, and then I'm going to be using this lime green for the accents. So the straps and the bands will all be done in lime green. Now, the one thing I want to note about swimwear and cotton is that it can be a little bit tricky, and I am making an intentional choice to use 100% cotton for this project because I don't really intend to swim in it. Cotton, while it's a wonderful fabric to work with, doesn't have the same kind of like elasticity that some of your other fabrics or yarns might. So if you are planning to actually make a piece of swimwear that you plan to swim in, I highly recommend kind of looking into some other yarns or fabrics that might be a little bit more appropriate. I've linked to a couple in the comments just as recommendations, starting points. But for this one, since this is kind of just gonna be like beachwear for me, I'm gonna go ahead and use 100% cotton. I'm also going to go down a gauge size with the needles that I'm going to be using for this project. I'm going to be using a size 4 millimeter needle for the body pieces, which will give them a little bit of a looser texture, looser density, and a size 3.5 needle for the bands and the straps. I'm going half a needle size down for the bands and the straps because that will provide even more structure, even more density for those kind of architectural elements of the suit. The band under the bust, band around the waist, and the straps.